All right, this problem we are analyzing a graph. Now this graph is comparing the number of weeks and 1 mile time in minutes. This is how long it takes for this person, Irma, to run 1 mile. So for example, the first time she attempted it, we can see that it took her just over 10 minutes. And then by the 10th week, she made it just under 7 minutes. So we got to see which one of these statements is correct. First one states that her 1 mile speed increased as the number of weeks increased. So let's go take a look at this graph again. Now what we're not comparing the speed to the number of weeks. That's where you have to be careful, because you might instinctively see, oh, this is decreasing as the number of weeks increases. But if the time it takes someone to run a mile is decreasing, that means that they're going faster. Their speed is actually increasing, right? The faster you run, the faster you're going to do a mile, right? So statement number 1 is actually the correct one. Her speed is increasing as the number of weeks increase because it's taking her less time to run the mile. So obviously option number 2 is incorrect. Option number 3, if the trend continues, she will run under a 6-minute mile by week 13. We can see that following this pattern, that won't necessarily be true because getting under 6 minutes would have to be lower. And following that pattern, then that's likely not going to happen. And then the 4th option states that she reduced her 1 mile time the most between weeks 10 and 12. And we can see visually there's no way that's what happened. Between weeks 10 and 12, there was a very minor difference in the amount of time she took. She made the biggest change at the start between weeks 0 and 1. All right, so I hope that was helpful, and that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.